Hello everyone. We are continuing with solving the question paper of Jan 2025 of BCA's 5th semester quantitative techniques under BCU under NEP syllabus. The 14th question, part A, is logarithm of 512 into 256 divided by 32, the whole thing to the base 2. So now we can write this 512 as 2 to the power of 9 and 256 as 2 to the power of 8 and then 32 as 2 to the power of 5. So if we do that, this expression of logarithmic expression can be written as log 2 to the power of 9 into 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 to the power of 5. Whole thing to the base 2. And this can be further rewritten as logarithm of 2 to the power of 9 plus 8 minus 5 to the base 2. That is nothing but logarithm of 2 to the power of 17 minus 5, it is 12 to the base 2. That can be rewritten as 12 times logarithm of 2 to the base 2, which is 12 into 1, and that is 12. So that will be the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next. Evaluate 75P2 plus 75C2. 75P2 can be expanded as 75 factorial divided by 75 minus 2 the factorial plus 75C2 can be written as 75 factorial divided by 75 minus 2 the factorial into 2 factorial. So we can further simplify this as 75 factorial divided by 73 factorial plus 75 factorial divided by 73 factorial into 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So in these two terms, the common terms are 75 factorial divided by 73 factorial. So within brackets, we can write 1 plus 1 by 2. This is nothing but 75 into 74 into 73 factorial divided by 73 factorial multiplied by 3 by 2. So 73 factorial gets cancelled. Now we have 75 into 74 into 3 divided by 2. Evaluating this, we will get 8325. That will be the solution for this particular question. Next one, two unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most one head? So the sample size space for the two coin tossing will be H, 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 T, T, H, T, T. Now the question is, what is the probability of getting at most one head? Means maximum one head. Totally there are 4 outcomes. Maximum one head means this one, and this one. Means one head as well as 0 heads. So it becomes 3 by 4. That will be the solution for this. Next one, simplify the expression 460 into 15 minus 5 into 20. So we can take now in the first term and second term 10 outside. So we will have 46 into 15 minus 5 into 2. Then further we can take 5 outside. So 10 into 5, we will have 46 into 3 minus 2. Now we can take 10 into 5 is 50. Now we can take 2 outside. So we will have 46 divided by 2 becomes 23 into 3 minus 1. 50 into 2 is 100 times, this is 69 minus 1. The final result is 6,800. That will be the solution for this particular question. Now, let us move on. Simplify this expression 1 divided by, within box brackets, 1 plus 1 divided by flower brackets, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 within brackets, 1 plus 1 divided by 2, close the brackets, then your flower brackets, then your box brackets, finally 1. First, we need to focus on the innermost parenthesis or innermost brackets. So we will write 1 divided by box brackets, 1 plus 1 divided by flower brackets, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 is getting multiplied, means if this means that 1 is getting multiplied with this entire thing. So we need not write 1. We can simply write 1 plus. Now this 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Then our flower brackets and then box brackets plus 1. Then in the next step, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by flower brackets, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2, flower brackets, box bracket plus 1. This is equal to 1 divided by box bracket 1 plus 1 divided by flower brackets 1 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 multiplied by 2 by 3, so which is 2 by 3. Close the flower brackets, close the box brackets, plus 1. Then in the next step, this is equal to 1 divided by box brackets, 1 plus 1 divided by flower brackets. 1 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but 5 by 3. Close the box brackets, plus 1. This is equal to 1 divided by, open a box bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by 5 by 3 is nothing but 1 multiplied by 3 by 5. So I will write 3 by 5. Finally, plus 1. So this is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 3 by 5 is nothing but 8 by 5 plus 1. So first we have to do the division. So 1 divided by 8 by 5 is nothing but 1 multiplied by 5 by 8, which is 5 by 8 plus 1. Now here 8 is the LCM. So 5 plus 8, we get 13 by 8 as the solution. That is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next. Question 15, part B. A train travels for 7 hours. The first half at 80 km per hour and the second half at 90 km per hour. Find the distance traveled. First, we will find out the average speed. Average speed will be the harmonic mean of these two observations. So it is 2 divided by 1 by 80 plus 1 by 90, which is 2 divided by, we'll consider the common factor as, common multiplier as, 720. So you get here 8 9s are 9 8s are. You get 2 divided by 17 multiplied by 720. Let us see, is it divisible 720? No. So if I multiply it, we will get 0, 4, 14 divided by 17. This is the average speed, 1440 divided by 17 km per hour. Now we have been provided with, we have to find the distance. Speed equal to distance travel by time taken. We have to find what is the distance traveled. So that is D equal to S multiplied by the time taken, which is speed we already got. It is 1440 divided by 7 multiplied by the time taken is 17, sorry. Multiplied by the time taken is 7 hours. Now let us calculate this. How much do we get? 1440 into 7 divided by 17. We get 592.94. 592.94 kilometer. That is the distance traveled. Next question. Question 16. Three partners A, B, and C invest rupees 1600, rupees 1800, and rupees 2300 respectively in a business. How should they divide the profit of rupees 1938? First, we will find out the ratio of their investment. That will be 1600 is to 1800 is to 2300, which can be simplified as 16 is to 18 is to 23. Now, A's share will be 16 divided by 16 plus 18 plus 23 multiplied by 1938. That is 16 divided by 57 multiplied by 1938. So if we calculate this, we will get rupees 544 as A's share. Next, B's share will be 16 divided, B's share will be 18. 18 divided by 57 into 1938. If we calculate this, we will get rupees 612. Then C's share will be 23 divided by 57 multiplied by 1938. If we calculate that, we will get 700 and let us calculate. 782. Now, if I add all this 782 plus 612 plus 544, I should get that 1938. Yes, we get. So that is the solution for this individual shares. Next one, a number is divided into three parts in the ratio 2:3:4. If the third part is third part is 20, what are the other parts? So since the ratio is given as 2:3:4, we can say let the parts be 2x, 3x, and 4x. Given third part, that is 4x is 20, that means x will be 5. So therefore, the first part is 2 times x, that is 2 times 5, so it should be 10. Second part should be 3 times 5, that should be 15. So other two parts are 10 and 15. Then this is the last question. Question 17, part A, 18 men or 16 boys can do a work in 39 days. In how many days 4 men and 18 boys do it? When it says 8 men or 16 boys, it means that 8 men is equal to 16 boys. Or simply we can say 8m is equal to 16b, which means that 1m should be 2b. Now, they gave men, 8 men, and then days is given as 39. In how many days? 4 men. So, 4 men. 18 boys can be written as 9 men. So 4 plus 9, this will become 13. For 13 men, how many days? We'll consider it as x. And if the number of men increases, the number of days should decrease, which means this is inversely proportional. So we can write 8 by 13 is equal to x by 39, which means our x will be 39 into 8 divided by 13, which will give you 24 days as the result. So that is the solution for this question.